Ready to ditch that frustrating payment revision needed message and finally complete your Amazon purchase? Alright, let's dive in. First, head over to Amazon and click on your account. You can usually find this in the top right corner of the screen. Once you're in your account, look for payment options. It's often under the ordering and shopping preferences section. Click on that. Now you'll see all your saved payment methods. The key here is to carefully review each card. Check the expiration dates. First expired cards are a super common culprit. Click Edit next to each card to check the details. Double check the card number, expiration date, and the cardholder's name to make sure everything is exactly as it appears on your card. Even a small typo can cause the payment to fail. Next, and this is crucial, verify the billing address. Amazon is very sensitive to address mismatches. Ensure the billing address on file exactly matches the address associated with your credit or debit card. If you've checked everything and still have problems, try adding the card again. Sometimes, removing and reading the payment method can clear up any glitches. If you're still stuck, don't hesitate to contact Amazon customer support. They can often identify the specific reason the payment is failing and guide you toward a solution. And that's it. With these steps, you should be able to resolve that payment revision needed error and get back to enjoying your Amazon shopping. Good luck and happy shopping!